In the vast tapestry of metaphysical principles governing our existence, the law of assumption stands as a beacon of transformative potential. It is a guiding force that underscores the profound impact our beliefs and assumptions have on shaping the reality we experience. At its core, the law of assumption asserts that what we assume to be true ultimately becomes true in our lives. This law then serves as the architect and orchestrator of our destinies, since, as we navigate the landscape of assumption, we encounter instances in everyday life where our deeply ingrained beliefs, whether positive or negative, become self-fulfilling prophecies. In this video, we'll delve into the realms of assumption and manifestation, unraveling the mysteries that surround this powerful law. Understanding the law of assumption requires a keen awareness of the intricate dance between thought and reality, since the assumptions we harbor serve as the building blocks of our daily experiences. It is a philosophy that challenges us to pay close attention to the stories we tell ourselves, for within those narratives lie the keys to unlocking the doors that bring our deepest desires to fruition. In the pursuit of harnessing the transformative power of the law of assumption, you must first clearly identify and define your desires, since the process of manifestation is intricately linked to how specific and clear you are in being able to articulate what you seek to bring into your reality. So the journey begins with profound introspection, compelling you to discern what you truly desire and differentiating it from the noise of external expectations and societal conditioning. Clarity becomes the compass that guides the manifestation process as vague aspirations are refined into distinct, palpable goals. It is within this clarity that the law of assumption finds fertile ground, allowing assumptions to take root in the well-defined soil of conscious desires. Once you've clarified the contours of your desires, the next step lies in exploring the top 5 practical ways through which this potent law can be applied to manifest your aspirations. These 5 methods serve as the actionable tools that transform assumption from a theoretical concept into a dynamic force shaping your daily experiences. 1. Visualization and imagination. Visualization serves as a foundational practice in the application of the law of assumption. It involves the deliberate creation of mental images that vividly depict the desired reality. By immersing yourself in the sensory experience of these mental scenes, you send powerful signals to the subconscious mind, aligning it with your desired outcome. There are 3 key techniques for effective visualization. First, clarity and detail. The effectiveness of visualization lies in its specificity. Instead of vague images, create detailed scenes that encapsulate the emotions, colors, and details of the desired reality. If, for instance, the aspiration is a fulfilling career, visualize the office space. Feel the satisfaction of completing meaningful tasks. See the sights and hear the sounds related to your success. The second technique is emotional engagement. Infuse the visualized scenes with emotion. Emotions act as the fuel that propels the assumed reality into manifestation. If the goal is financial abundance, feel the joy, security, and freedom that comes with it. The more authentic your emotional engagement, the more potent will be the magnetic pull of your envisioned reality. The third technique is consistency and repetition. Make visualization and emotional engagement with your desired reality a consistent practice. Engage in this mental and emotional rehearsal daily, reinforcing the assumed reality. Regularly see the awesomeness of your vision and feel the uplifting emotions of your future. Repetition embeds the desired images and feelings deeper into the subconscious, solidifying the connection between assumption and manifestation. Imagination reinforces assumptions because it is the bridge between the conscious and subconscious mind. It allows you to explore possibilities beyond your current reality. When imagination is harnessed in alignment with assumption, it becomes a catalyst for transforming even subconscious beliefs. By regularly engaging in imaginative acts that align with your desired outcomes, you cultivate a mental environment where assumptions take root and flourish. 2. Affirmations and positive self-talk. Language, both spoken and internal, plays a pivotal role in the manifestation process governed by the law of assumption. Affirmations, positive statements crafted to reinforce desired beliefs, become the language through which assumptions are communicated to the subconscious mind. Be sure to phrase affirmations in the present tense, as if the desired outcome is already a reality. For example, instead of saying, "I will be financially abundant," affirm, "I am financially abundant." This subtle linguistic shift aligns the affirmation with the assumption of already possessing the desired reality. Affirmations should be uplifting and specific to the desired outcome. Instead of a general statement like, "I am happy," tailor it to the assumed reality, such as, "I am joyfully living my dream life filled with abundance and fulfillment." Also, remember to always express your affirmations in the positive. What I mean by that is, if, for example, you want to express more self-sovereignty in your life, rather than affirm a phrase like, "I don't need anything outside of me," instead, you can say something like, "I am whole and complete. I have everything I need." Since the universe doesn't process negatives, when your affirmation includes negating phrases like "I don't," what the universe actually hears is "I do." So this is a very important point to remember. Moving on, craft affirmations that are believable enough to avoid triggering resistance, but still stretch the boundaries of your current beliefs. This balance ensures that the subconscious mind accepts and integrates the affirmations, fostering a harmonious alignment with assumptions. Language is a powerful tool that shapes thought patterns and beliefs. The law of assumption recognizes that the words we use, both internally and externally, influence the assumptions that guide our reality. Positive self-talk and affirmations serve as intentional channels through which we communicate our assumed beliefs to the subconscious mind. By consciously choosing words that align with your desired reality, you can reshape the narrative of your life. 3. Acting as if. The principle of acting as if involves embodying the mindset and behaviors associated with already having achieved the desired outcome. This practice bridges the gap between the present reality and the assumed future, creating an environment that fosters manifestation. To embody the mindset, you must first shift in perspective. Cultivate a mental shift that perceives the assumed reality as not just a distant goal, but as a present and inevitable state. This change in perspective influences daily thoughts, decisions, and actions, aligning them with the desired outcome. While acting as if, remember that authenticity is key. It's not a matter of pretending or denying the current reality. Instead, it's about consciously choosing behaviors and thoughts that reflect the assumed reality. Where your attention goes, your energy flows, and what you focus on also grows. As you embody the sensory and emotional experience of your desired reality, your authenticity ensures a genuine alignment between actions and assumed beliefs. Be sure to embrace the journey of gradual transformation. Small, intentional actions aligned with the assumed reality contribute to the cumulative manifestation of your desires. Each action becomes a building block, solidifying the bridge between the present and the envisioned future. Acting as if becomes a dynamic practice that transcends mere role-playing. It is a holistic approach that integrates mindset, behavior, and perspective, creating a seamless tapestry where assumption and reality converge. 4. Letting go of resistance. The law of assumption acknowledges the presence of resistance, often manifested in limiting beliefs and doubts. Letting go of resistance is a crucial step in creating a receptive environment for assumptions to take root and flourish. To do so, identify and release limiting beliefs first through self-reflection. Engage in deep self-reflection to identify limiting beliefs that may act as barriers to assumption. These beliefs often reside in the subconscious and may stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or ingrained thought patterns. Also, challenge and question existing assumptions, especially those rooted in negativity or self-doubt. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones that align with your desired reality. For instance, if there's an assumption of unworthiness, consciously replace it with the assumption of deserving abundance and success. Know that there is a cosmic energy that wants you to attain what you desire, and that when you choose a course of action, the entire universe aligns itself to support you in achieving your goals. Part of this process entails cultivating a mindset of receptivity and an openness to possibilities. Assume that the universe is abundant and ready to fulfill your desires. This openness creates fertile ground for assumptions to take root, unencumbered by skepticism or pessimism. Letting go of resistance involves a conscious commitment to dismantling the barriers that hinder the flow of assumption. By identifying and releasing limiting beliefs, you create a spacious mental environment where assumptions can thrive and effortlessly translate into manifested realities. 5. Consistency. In the realm of assumption, consistency can be likened to watering the seeds of desires daily. Just as a plant needs regular care to grow and thrive, the subconscious mind requires a continuous stream of focused thoughts and beliefs to solidify assumptions. Regular reinforcement of assumptions through consistent practices like visualization, affirmations, and intentional actions ensures that they become deeply ingrained in the mental landscape. Consistency also fosters a sense of coherence between conscious desires and subconscious beliefs. When there is alignment between what you consciously wish to manifest and the assumptions you consistently hold, a powerful synergy is created. This unity of purpose enhances the effectiveness of assumption, as it minimizes the potential for conflicting energies that may arise from wavering beliefs. The application of the law of assumption is not a one-time event, but a continual process. Consistency establishes a rhythm in this process, turning assumption into a habit and eventually a way of life. If you like this video, check out the one on the mirror principle right here on your screen, and be sure to hit the subscribe button for more content like this.